Hello, my name is Samantha, and in this video I'll be demonstrating how to disassemble the breathing block of the Zeus IE. To start, ensure that all your consumables are removed from the breathing system, including your soda lime. Press the grey button to open up the click adapter and slide the soda lime out. Then, to unlock the breathing system, turn the lateral twist locks on either side from horizontal to vertical. This will allow you to lift the breathing system upwards. To remove the turbine ventilator, push down on the two screws to release. No tools are required for this part. Then place two fingers in the holes and lift upwards. Now to disassemble the breathing block. Ensure that you've got the screwdriver and the cleaning disc available as well. To start, we'll be removing the click adapter first. So, placing one firm grip on the handle of the breathing system and one on the click adapter, turn counterclockwise to remove. At this point, it is good practice to insert the cleaning disc. So, to open up the click adapter, press the grey button. Align the straight sides of the disc to the straight sides seen here and slide the disc in. Click shut, and this can be placed to the side. Then, to remove the inspiratory and expiratory ports, unscrew the black component at the base. You can now then slide your flow sensors out. These golden coloured Spirolife flow sensors of the Zeus IE can be autoclaved. Now to remove the APL valve. This is done by loosening the bottom grey component of the APL valve. To remove the upper housing of the breathing system, take your screwdriver and by pushing down and a slight turn counterclockwise, we'll release these screws. There are 5 screws in total. And this will then leave you with the base of the breathing system, where you can now unscrew the additional air valve. Your breathing system is now ready to be reprocessed. To reassemble the breathing system, start by screwing on the additional air valve to this spot on the breathing system, ensuring that it is properly threaded. Then, to return the upper housing component of the breathing system, align the quick release screws with the screw holders. And take your screwdriver and pushing down and a slight clockwise turn to lock the screws in. Ensure there is a proper seal between the upper component and the bottom component of the breathing system. To return the APL valve, with one hand, steady the APL valve in position with the dot lining up to the front of the breathing system. With the other hand, position the valve and properly thread the lower component on. If resistance is felt, readjust the APL valve. and just ensure to tighten it so that it is finger tight. Now to return the 2 clean Spiralife flow sensors. Visually inspect the integrity of the wires prior to reinsertion. Then, ensuring the gold wires are pointing downwards, align this up with the gap in the side of the breathing system and sliding them in. Then to reattach the ports, align the notch up with this same gap on the side of the port. Note, these ports are interchangeable. And screwing them on so that they are finger tight. To reattach the click adapter, start by removing the cleaning disc. Pressing the grey button to open up the click adapter, which will then allow you to slide the disc out. Closing the click adapter and attaching this side to the base of the breathing system. So one hand on the handle, the other one on the click adapter, starting off centre so the grey button is aligned to the middle. And a slight turn clockwise. The grey button should sit at the front of the device. To return the turbine ventilator, place the finger into each of the holes, align it in position and place down. Then push down on the 2 screws and turn as you go to lock it into position. To return the breathing system to the device, one hand on the handle, align it up into position and push down. Then to lock it into place, turn the lateral twist locks from vertical to horizontal. For further information, please refer to the instructions for use or contact your local Dräger representative.